Okay, we've entered safely, and I'm 100% sure this will give us a profit. And as expected, profit. Boom! You saw it, guys. Three, two, one. Boom! Profit. Guys, that's the power of prime trades. Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all doing great. So I'm Prime Trades, and today I'll be doing some live trades in the OTC market and showing you everything. I'll be trading by following price action and round numbers, and I'll share my entire process with you, so you can learn and generate good profits from trading too. All right, so as you can see, I have $4,000 in my account, and I'm going to see how much profit I can make with this. Let's take our first trade. Right here, we'll place a $100 trade in the upward direction. Okay, we've entered safely, and I'm 100% sure this will give us a profit. Why? Because we're clearly seeing strong buyer activity here, so I've entered the trade accordingly. Like I said, this is based on price action. You can see, first price hits a level, then comes the round number, and then comes a rejection from that level. This is why we took an upward entry. Now see, we've got 3 consecutive green candles, then 1 red candle, but that red has already been covered. So that confirms buyer strength, and as expected, profit. Boom! You saw it, guys. This is a prime trade sure shot. So our first trade is a win. We just made an $80 profit. Let's look for another strong currency pair for the next trade. We're going to place another $100 trade on this one. This time we're entering in the down direction. Now, why did we go down here? Because we're seeing strong seller activity. Candle after candle is dropping. There's a gap down formation happening. 1 green candle tried to push up, but it got broken immediately. Then came 3 red candles, and again another confirming red candle. Also, if you look at the right side, you'll notice a strong round number. Price rejected from that level, so that's another confirmation for a down move. And boom, another profit. We've taken 2 sure shot trades back to back, and again, we're an $84 profit. Okay, let's find another good setup. Here, I'm seeing a potential upward trade opportunity. Notice we're switching markets and trading candle by candle based on experience and confirmation. So why this trade? Well, although I should have entered from a slightly lower position, I entered from the top just to avoid missing it, because this setup looks 100% profitable. Here's the logic. We're in a clear trending market. The next target level is up ahead. Price needs to reach at least that level to complete the movement. So I placed a trade from here, and I'm fully confident that this will be another winning trade, based on prime trades analysis. As you can see, we've been hitting back-to-back profits, and I'm explaining every reason behind the trades. And 3, 2, 1, boom, profit. Guys, that's the power of prime trades. So now let's check out another market. We're going to trade in USD/BDT. If it comes a little lower, we'll enter. Okay, guys, looks like we missed that candle. We'll take the entry on the next candle. Now we're entering on this current candle. Let's wait for a proper reaction. All right, we're going with an upward direction entry here. Why? Because there's a level here and another level here, so the candle needs to reach that zone to complete the body formation. And also, there's a round number just below, which the market has tried breaking multiple times. Buyers are pushing up, and we don't see any strong selling pressure. That's why we confidently took the upward entry here. I'm fully confident this will be another profit. Let's see until the end. 3, 2, 1, boom! Profit again. That's what we call prime trades analysis. You all saw how beautifully we made that profit with clean analysis. Let's find another setup. This time I'm thinking of taking a $500 risk, but actually, taking a $500 entry seems a bit risky, so I'll go with $100 instead. Now, if this one ends in a loss, I'll go for a $1,000 recovery trade. We're preparing for another upward entry. Let's wait for the 15-second candle to confirm. No confirmation yet. We'll wait for the next candle. Okay, up direction. And here's why this trade makes sense. We've got a previous support level right here. Plus, if you look on the right side, you'll see a strong round number at 1 o'clock. What's happening in the market? It came down, buyers pushed it back up, sellers brought it down again, then buyers pushed again. So now, after sellers brought it down once more, I believe buyers will push again. Let's see how this trade closes. If this turns out to be a loss, no worries. I've already planned for a $1,000 trade next. Okay, time to recover. I've placed a $1,000 trade, and I'm 100% confident in this one. Here's the thing. If one of my earlier trades, where the setup looked perfect, ends up losing, then I always recover with high conviction trades. This is one of them. And boom! Profit again! This is the power of prime trades. Now let's check the leaderboard. See here, I've made $1,738 in profit, starting from $4,000. So in just 10 minutes, I showed you how to use price action, follow round numbers, do risk management, and apply money management to trade effectively. You can clearly see how well my analysis works in the market. If you want to learn how to trade and earn like this, and want more videos like this, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want the same signals I use, you can join my public channel. Link is in the description. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Stay well. Allah Hafez.